Dear audiences and learners, Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Farooq Hussain. In the present day, I am going to share the knowledge of nonverbal communication, which is a significant issue in business, even in personal life. With verbal communication, nonverbal communication is significant for an effective communication. Here, the question is, what is a nonverbal communication? When message or information is exchanged or communicated without using any spoken or written words is known as nonverbal communication. It focuses on wordless messages between people. Several symbols are used in such sort of communication process, like expression, posture, eye contact of the communicator and communicatee, proximity, any sort of gesture, time, silence, appearance, touch. Nonverbal communication has specific characteristics or nature. Firstly, no use of words. It does not use any kind of words or language. Generally, it is okayed by using different kinds of the symbols. Nonverbal communication is learned in childhood to the process of growing up in a particular society. An individual generally adapts the traits and mannerisms of his cultural group. It indicates that nonverbal communication is learned from his cultural group. We need to know that cross-cultural aspects give the different kinds of the meanings to same expression in respect of nonverbal communication. So it means that nonverbal symbols can have many meanings. Another characteristic of nonverbal communication is it may create the conflict with verbal messages. Nonverbal communication is so deeply rooted, so unconsciously it can create a conflict with the formal message. Generally, the use of words or language confirms the clear meanings to the receiver. But in case of the nonverbal communication, instead of words or language, symbols are used here. So often, nonverbal communication is quite vague and imprecise. Informality is one of the characteristics of nonverbal communication. Generally, such kind of communication does not follow any formality, and most of the cases people unconsciously and habitually engaged in such kind of communication by moving the various parts of their body. Nonverbal communication is unconsciously in the sense. As a result, it is usually not planned nor rehearsed. And finally, nonverbal communication shows feelings and attitude. Facial expression, gesture, posture, body movement all communicate your feelings and emotions to others.